Je vous remercie.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, the World Association of Speakers of the International Language of Esperanto, the Universala Esperanto-Asocio, works for promoting the respect for language rights, just as the United Nations Development Programme does. We believe that language rights are an integral part of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And let us here present to you some cases of violations of language rights that have been reported to us. Malaysia. In 2003, the government of Malaysia introduced teaching of mathematics and science in English language medium. They have thus violated the right of students to use their mother tongue, Malay in this case, which is the official language of Malaysia. Recently, there was a demonstration calling for the reintroduction of Malay language medium in education, and this demonstration was put down in a heavy-handed way by the local police. In Turkey, the public television channel broadcasting the words of a Kurdish deputy parliament, Mr. Ahmet Kurd, in the parliament, suddenly cut off its broadcast because the member of parliament continued to make a statement in the Kurdish language on the occasion of the International Day of the Mother Tongue, which was a UNESCO international language. In Denmark, with the forced Danishization of immigrant children, the threat of taking immigrant children away from their families from a very early age and of placing them in institutions if the parents do not speak Danish with their children in the home. Mette Frederiksen, the Danish Member of Parliament for the Social Democratic Party, has proposed the introduction of a measure for placing immigrant children in day centres as of the age of 1 year old. And in the event of the refusal by their parents to comply with this, the children will be taken away from their parents. In Australia, in schools for Aboriginal children, language used is English. In bilingual schools for Aboriginal children in the Northern Territories, the Minister of Education, Maureen Scrigmore, wants to place emphasis on teaching English at the expense of the teaching of the Indigenous language, which has now been made an optional subject in schooling there. We call on the Council of Human Rights to investigate with the governments these 4 violations of language rights. Thank you very much.